Fiona with WTI, and I just love Calvin and Hobbes comics by Bill Watterson. That's why I got the Lazy Sunday book. This is volume 4, and just like the name suggests, this book is perfect for those lazy days that you just want to sit back, relax, and read some heartwarming comics. The comics are full color, and I just love Bill Watterson's sense of humor and his illustration style. My favorite comic is the one here. I just love the expressions on Calvin as he tries to eat a meal he doesn't like. Another one of my favorites is where we get to see Calvin's imagination. In this one, he pretends to be a dinosaur and ends up getting himself into some trouble. The book also has over 100 pages, which is definitely enough comics to keep you reading for quite some time. And they're definitely the type of comics that are even good to go back and reread and even share with friends. This book is the perfect addition to your Calvin and Hobbes collection, or the perfect one to get started with. And that's just my point of view.